this assessment comes from a common mistake or a frequently asked question that students have asked about epoxide reactions in the past. And it basically says the following. In this question, the opening of an epoxide occurs through an SN2 reaction when we use strong nucleophiles. And yet for this particular reaction, we're not getting inversion of stereochemistry. As pointed out, we have a bold wedge in this epoxide at C3, and that bond remains a bold wedged bond in the product. Why is that? Because we remember SN2 proceeds with inversion. Well, we have to look at where the chemistry is happening. The chemistry is happening between carbon 1 and carbon 2. And so the nucleophile is doing a backside displacement at carbon 2. Well, carbon 2 is not a new stereocenter, so we're not going to show wedges or dashes there, despite the fact that backside displacement has occurred at that position. Well, what about at carbon 3? No chemistry happens at carbon 3, so the bold wedged oxygen remains a bold wedged oxygen. Inversion is only going to be present at the carbon where the nucleophilic attack or the nucleophilic displacement occurs. Since no chemistry is happening at carbon 3, whatever stereochemistry we have at 3 will remain in our product.